Good morning, children. Welcome to today's e-class. I, Rachna Joshi here, will teach you Geography, first chapter of your social subject. So, before starting our chapter, please open your textbooks, page number 77. Yes, now our first chapter of geography is environment. एनवायरमेंट मीन्स वातावरण, हमारे आसपास का वातावरण. एनवायरमेंट आपको मैं क्लियर करना चाहूंगी. एनवायरमेंट जो आसपास में हम सारी चीजें देखते हैं, जो भी हमारे आसपास में आपके लिविंग थिंग्स, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स सभी इंक्लूड होते हैं इस एनवायरमेंट के अंदर. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द चैप्टर. यस, let's extract and study. The word environment means surroundings, which include all the living and non-living things around us. It is derived from a French word environner or environner. The term environment refers to various physical components like air, water, and land, etc. So what he is saying, the word environment means surrounding. First of all, environment. Environment means हमारे आसपास का वातावरण. उसके अंदर आपके ये फॉर्म हुआ होता है लिविंग थिंग्स एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स से, नेचुरल प्लस मैन मेड थिंग्स से. नाउ सराउंडिंग. सराउंडिंग मीन्स हमारे आसपास में पाए जाने वाली चीजें, विच इंक्लूड ऑल द लिविंग थिंग्स एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स अराउंड अस. सो दिस एनवायरमेंट इंक्लूड्स, यानी इंक्लूड यानी उसके अंदर पाया जाता है, सम्मिलित होता है लिविंग थिंग्स एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. इट इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम फ्रेंच वर्ड, यानी ये लिया गया है. एनवायरमेंट वर्ड बना है अपने एक फ्रेंच वर्ड से, एनवायरनर और एनविरोनर. दिस इज ए फ्रेंच वर्ड एंड इफ इट इज स्पेल्ड एज एनवायरमेंट. दिस टर्म, it is very important for all living beings. Yes, obviously environment is very important for all living beings. Environment provides us air to breathe. This is the point to be noted. Environment provides us air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat, and land to live. Obviously, let's come to the topic. What he is saying, environment provide us air. Air means हवा, provide means देता है, हमें देता है. Environment provide us air to breathe. Breathe means सांस लेना, तो हमें हवा मिलती है सांस लेने के लिए. Provides us water to drink. पानी मिलता है पीने के लिए. Food to eat. खाना मिलता है हमें खाने के लिए. And land to live. Live means रहना. Now let me ask you, are you able to live without air, water, land or food? No, these all four things are very essential for a living being to live on the earth. Yes, now let's move to our next line. The animals and plants are also part of our environment. Obviously, animals and plants are living things and they are very important part of our environment. Thus, our environment is a combination of both natural and human components. Combination, first of all, combination. Combination means a mixture. It is a mixture of both natural and human components. यानी ये एक आपके कंपोनेंट मिक्सचर है, आपके नेचुरल थिंग्स और ह्यूमन कंपोनेंट्स. अब नेचुरल थिंग्स के एग्जांपल्स मैं आपको देना चाहूंगी, जैसे माउंटेन्स हो गए, आपके रिवर्स हो गए, आपके प्लेट्यूज हो गए, everything which is naturally, which is not created by the man. It is already present in the nature itself. Now, human components. Human components are roads, buildings, schools, temples, many things which are created by a man. So, a component is a mixture of both natural and man-made things, or natural environment and human environment. We also call it natural environment and human environment. So I hope so you got it. What is an environment? Now let's read about the components of environment. There are two components of environment. Broadly, environment has two components or two categories. Means here he is saying that our environment is divided into two parts. First is natural environment and second is human-made environment. These both are also called biotic, B-O-I-T-I-C, biotic or abiotic components. Yes. Now, natural environment may again be classified into two categories. First is biotic. It refers to the world of living organisms. Example, plants and animals. First of all, let me clear biotic. Biotic means living things. Biotic. B-I-O. B-I-O-T-I-C. Biotic. B-I-O-T-I-C. Biotic environment means living things. Biotic environment means all the living things present on the earth are included in biotic environment. Now, abiotic, A-B-I-O-T-I-C. Abiotic means all the things which refers to non-living things. For example, land, water, minerals, etc. Yes, obviously land is also a non-living thing, water is also a non-living thing, and all the minerals. Let me give the examples of minerals. Minerals, for example, aluminium, copper, gold, silver, zinc. There are many minerals found on our earth. So these all are included into our minerals. Now, let's move to our next topic, natural environment. Natural environment. The natural environment is made up of those things which are not made by man, rather created by nature, or it comprises both biotic or living and abiotic or non-living components. Biotic the biotic components includes plants, animals, and human beings, while abiotic components include land, water, and air. Yes, again same thing is repeated here. Natural environment. First thing, let me explain you what is natural. वो चीज जो हमें प्रकृति में पाई जाती है, जिसे हम इंसानों ने नहीं क्रिएट किया है या हमने उसे नहीं बनाया है. यहाँ पे आपके एग्जाम्पल्स आ रहे हैं. लैंड, water and air. These are the few examples of natural environment. We have not created this. These are obtained by nature itself. They are already present in the nature. So the natural environment is made up of those things which are not made by man. Yes, here you can see they are not made by man. नेचुरल प्रकृति में पाया जाना, जो कि मैन के द्वारा क्रिएटेड नहीं है, हमारे द्वारा बनाए हुए नहीं है. बाय नेचर, और इट कंपेयर्स बोथ बायोटिक एंड एबायोटिक थिंग्स. Obviously, there are many things which are biotic as plus as abiotic things. They are also included in the natural environment. The natural environment is also known as the habitat of organisms. Habitat means ghar. Habitat means ghar. For example, I would like to present a very nice example here. For example, camel. Camel is habitat to a hot desert. एक कैमल जो है वो उसको आदत होती है एक हॉट डेजर्ट में रहने की. So the climate which suits to the camel is hot desert, sandy type. Okay. For example, one more example, a polar bear, white polar bear, it can survive only in the cold desert itself. So it is the habitat, the environment is habitat to those animals, a particular environment. Now, the biotic and abiotic components of natural environment are interrelated. Let me tell, interrelated means एक दूसरे से related है. They both depend on each other. Biotic depend on abiotic and abiotic depends on biotic. And there is a content interaction between them. Yes, obviously there is a interaction between them. Actually, the component of the natural environment are dynamic in nature. If there is a change in one component of nature environment, it will create a change in other. The component of the natural environment such as land, water, air, plant, animals, and human beings are called the domains. Domains means kshetra. Realms. Realms means also the same. Kshetra means area. Now, what he is saying here, abiotic and abiotic components of natural environment are interrelated. Interrelated means they are related to each other. They have they both are useless without each other. And there is a constant interaction between them. Obviously, they have a great relation between them. Actually, the components of the natural environment are dynamic in nature. If there is a change in one component of the nature environment, it will create a change in the other. Obviously, if there is a change in one component, then it will also show the change in the other component also. That's why it is a dynamic relation. Now, let's move to our next topic. The four realms of our earth are as under: the lithosphere, the hydrosphere, the atmosphere, and the biosphere. Four realms. These are the four important things of our earth. First is lithosphere. Let me tell you the meaning of lithosphere. Lithosphere means land. L-A-N-D, land. L for land, L for lithosphere. Second is the hydrosphere. First of all, let's clear. The lithosphere, the solid crust of the earth. For example, this is a earth and there are four layers of the earth. There are four layers of earth. First is lithosphere, second is hydrosphere, third is atmosphere, and fourth is biosphere. Now, lithosphere means land, hydrosphere means water, atmosphere means air, and biosphere means all the living and non-living things included in this biosphere. Living things and non-living things get together, make an biosphere. So let me clear this. The hydrosphere, the water bodies on the earth. Now, what do you mean by water bodies? By hearing the water bodies, there may be a question in your mind, what is a water body? Let me give the examples of water body: rivers, lakes, ponds, dams, underground water. These all are the water which is formed, which is seen in the form of either in the river, either in the lake, either in the pond, either underground water. There are many forms of water present on the earth. Now, atmosphere, 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 the envelope of air around the earth. एनवलप ऑफ एयर यानी वो लेयर जो हवा की परत जिसे हम कहते हैं, वो हवा की परत जो हमारे अर्थ के आसपास पाई जाती है, उसे एटमॉस्फेयर कहते हैं. नाउ बायोस्फीयर, द लिविंग वर्ल्ड. द लिविंग वर्ल्ड मीन्स प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स and human beings. Humans. These all get together, make biosphere. Today, I am going to stop my class here. In our coming class, we will discuss about clearly lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and the ecosystem of our environment. So, till then, enjoy your day and bye-bye.